Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Meghalaya Progressive Special Educator Union ringkat kejnya trilang bat ke Directorate of School Education and Literacy and Samagra Shiksha Sema Meghalaya haka khat ar tarik unai tung arja pasau kala penong da kejing sam khusnam shaki henyo phulai ngut ki khna kan thei bat chenrang nagaleng ke jela kan thup nagaro hills kibadan ka bor jingduna haka Dkhot met bat shaki baduna haka jingyo jingkot kibala pendap ya ke Sslc bat Hsslc bat haki we ki jing puli Hagani kasngi sam khusnam la penlong handong ba Shillong hapo ka phis jangka Directorate of Educational Research and Training Malki Shillong hagaba umentri ka sarkar jela uba polling do uba bat ya katana social welfare ka jela ulalong kum bukongsan bat ikong ai sotun kum isimbut kongsan Deputy Director ka Directorate of School Education and Literacy Hashwaban sam ki khusnam shaki khana samla ki ba pas bha la yo jingkran na uba polling do bat kiwe Haba ajingkran na kaliang uba polling do ulapan pawe ke jingsngok men banya dal mentalang hakani ke sngi bakerpang kebade ke sngi man Pynkup Burom kerpang iki Samla Kiba Duna haki Dkhot men kibala pendap iki kerdan puli baper haba ajingkran ulakran shibun ki aka kiba MNC iki khana ula ongru baka jela Meghalaya kala kiu shakmat hakabede baka jingkershan ban ajing arab iki parlok Kiba Duna haki Dkhot men ulapan seluruh iki Samla Kiba Duna Dkhot men kibadannya ke saptem sapruai Baki day bane shimenta haka Meghalaya Grassroots Music Production.
Regina Karun Ngut, completion of higher secondary. Please clap. Dkhot Karuni. Thank you so much, sir.
She is not here today. I was to fight in classic with the support given by the good art charity along with the intervention of Aish, the Secretary of Synthetic and Equipping the Nutrition. I complete my secondary school living the skill in the year of 2019. I am continuing my higher secondary school living the skill in the same school or the rest of government boys higher secondary school living this long. Till I passed out on the year of 2021. During my preparation for Sslc and higher secondary school living the state examination, it's not easy for me. I had go through many problems, but thank God for His promises. The Bible was Dune chapter 1 verse 5 said, I want to take in Hsslc là umur nanti udungan ada tak tu entah noble apa itu ya pada mak mungkin orang nak sudah man just Bible verse had and faith news and also through glory to God had answer my prayer.
Thank you everyone. I have got one chance now to talk with you. I have come to try to talk to you all. So what happened in the morning I had gotten up, immediately I brushed my teeth. After that I got ready and came here. Had to have a short walk, and from a taxi I walked and I came here. I think I will have to talk to Miss Aisa. Miss Aisa is the new principal, I suppose, of this school, Dkhot school. When I was there to help whatever I could. I wish everybody will have a well-to-do life if possible. I always had time to study. I just wish that I would learn how to build up my physical strength. That's it. Always wanted to learn how Kung Fu is done. When I learned how to do karate to defend myself, I will always be able to use the same knowledge to teach people and others how to do karate. Thank you.
Recitation program a grand success. I believe you can done the Dkhot Association of B. Star well Khajana Milayo Panya Slok Hapur Butsir Kay Kiba Milay Idap Panya Slok Pan exchange Kijing Sopu Kejungi Apa Nomipi Ke Jela Jungi Jela Meglea Kalajam Shahmat Hawi dia buat we pagi Jela Haka Jingi Dei Bat Kejing Kershan Kejing Arab Ya Kiparlok Ada Kijing Duna Hari Dkhot Mat Kepapi Hibi Diang Mentan Kejing Kershan Kebani Ai Limbah ke Department of Social Welfare ke Department of Health ke Department of Education kini ke Department Borok Pergi babun kicing jom ke yok kuat jom ke jalan ajugi bila persian dan ai ya ke babatang bahwa itu dan kejingong bah kapten the biggest room in this world is the room for improvement, self-improvement. Tingiru ya persian ban ya pendap ya kata ke kamera ke bagi jingdon kam bagi challenge kilong ki babun but kelak keledi ban pendap kilong ki Duna. Jenrai so kemenru begitu renjoki hangi bahasa sien ke Baningkong kom ke Department of Tourism Melmi Syahmat ban pensyur ya Samla ki jomi kom bagi mana Samla Mirban Nilai yaki mentaka space bagi niok banya shim menta program kejungi Mega Grassroots Music Production MGMP bat ki babun ki kenuhun ki yok menta ban yok ekarasan ki jam piput ki dua siau i ki sap kopong kejoki bat kunju bila sedang lu ban ai ya kini musical instrument yang Honorable Chief Minister dan Depan le kata dan RTO asyik jadi kesini. Di challenge belum dipapun, andai ni na kalian jom sorka ni sekutu itu apa ya kajing kam ba ngin ai kajing kersan kat kabila ya kaba kiwei jela ba akan dengan thai cedai long ini hidang syam jingye ba hid ai ika jikashan ke ba kumuni ngelalapan ai kalau beron kam bangin bu jumut hamil ya kawai ba kentir ba kata long ba pedeng jong kajing Duna jong ki Dkhot men la kalong hakalian kajing yoi la kalong bol yo snow la kalong bol perkhat la kalong bol pankren ndrai ron ke kentin to om bagi maji the sailors, the best sailors in the world have always come from the stormiest of seas. Imaji betul-betul apa hai kita kibawan lagi turiau kibat jurdo ki area. Menengan UI ulu Samla kibat tem kibat sing dan kat kajing Duna jom kawin lagi kita jom. Tapi mau dia bah Thai sekitar jom ki Rio crowd ke Helen kera ke away kepala khai ka ringkat kejing bamla banyo snow kamla banyo i kalau bamatla hendrai ke poi hendu uput ba banyo ya ke Nobel Prize kalau longru ke Dkhot kepala challenge buat ya ke sokar Amerika limba kijing ki excite juga dan pendak hop jom ki kentai ngem dan confusion nyo snow tambang ngem snow ila pan perkhat andrei kita kijing perkhat ngem pen longkam Jakarta tadi kaba naskau dari penyesam teng jom pihak ni bagi don group kadi ke moral responsibility ban shim ba gilalong ibalang kulpa ba kadi yangi ban reach out ban kner bagi kiti jom kajing kershan Shah ki perlok ki badan kijing Duna ha gitu khatmen nah kalian jong ke department ke jongi ini ki special educators ki lobi om ki don mata hat Ngut ni ai ki ka monthly salary ka balong life o haja kira kuat ban increase ya ke jingdan kam jong ki special educators andai gidon kam ru iki bakin nom well qualified sure bakin sim ya tu kam but kadi-kadi away naki challenge ki bangi kendo den dengan ong ipi kadang ke kentin kebang where a small mind sees problems a big mind sees opportunities ni bakal diri opportunity bagi nang berbahaya di mereka menjungi dengan penjenai ya bagi syakri ke pengiai kenang bagi penting kena ba itu kibadon kijing Duna lagi Dkhot met kin am snow ba im apa yang kijing Duna andai la ai hijau hilang kilenti ba kain ke pabla job mental si banyo ai ke Burom banyo ai ke felicitation kapani ya kata bagi the resilience of the human spirit kijing kleinbor jog mensium jog brio Lara Samla ulah pentem baru ahli ikti kawe kepala Duna kapani ya kijing klein jog mensium jog brio Lara Dkhot jirai Bomi yoi Bomi snow gula ban mi ban long way na kinora betwitam patay Stevie Wonders nam atatin kan bun Stevie Wonders bagi Helen Kira hapdeng jong kajan drill pasti kejumi nak tahu sa sisir ng pangjur yani kajing tray ringka coordination kamtam pada ini departments education social welfare ke health kenapa ginonra yang kita environment kabaki perlu kiran gijing Duna agi Dkhot in snow bagai shibenta jong kajing persian kejumi bandra yang kejala jumi Shah ko bawang ba stawel mene kadang kajing Shah ba abaki ai kajing le Burom bagi recognize ya Kiba pas ha apa kita di Duna di Dkhot kita don Kiba on serat pas dan don you pas don you kayak kita kata kedai kabawan nak beliau Kiba kikamat kiyoi skor kiyo snow ada kita don kita kadang dei nasyid kadai kajing Duna Dkhot ka bakham jur susu banya kajing bamla banyosko batagui beliau bakham da mensia magadon Ngut udai uta udai kesuatu dengkong ba ke impairment kajur hau banyak bamla banyui bamla banyosko.
I would like to convey my best wishes and warm regards to all the organizers of this beautiful program. Today, as we come here to celebrate this remarkable achievement of our dear students with special educational needs, who have not only faced the challenges but have also been able to overcome all these challenges and have come out triumphant in their board examinations. This is indeed a testament to their unwavering determination, their hard work, and the support that they have received from their teachers, from the parents, friends, and society. Dear students, your success is an inspiration to every one of us. You have shown that you can shine in spite of the obstacles that you have to encounter in life. I would like to make a special mention of Shri Shanskem Kharsawian, who has just expressed the challenges that he had to encounter, but in spite of that, he has overcome and he is the man he is today. I am so proud of you, Shanskem Kharsawian. May God continue to bless you as you proceed your steps from now onwards in the days and in the years to come. And may Shanskem Kharsawian be an example to each and every one of you who are yet to traverse this journey of life. Now, the Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan is an integrated scheme for school education which was launched long back in 2001, 2002 in partnership with the state government and local self-governments. And this scheme is a comprehensive and integrated flagship program of the Government of India to attain universal elementary education covering the entire country in a mission mode. Now, Sslc has also initiated the program of educating children with educational needs under the intervention of the Ministry of Education it has made special provision to provide assistance to students with educational needs enrolled in government and government-aided schools. Thus, depending on the number of identified students with special needs enrolled in such schools, the annual work plan and budget to take up different activities under inclusive education with a budget proposal of 3,500 according to the number of students with special needs as per UDITES and under the government schools and government-aided schools. As of now, we have 88 BRPs on IE appointed in different block levels covering the school, enrolling the children with special educational needs at the elementary level, and the special educators, there are 17 of them who have worked so hard, who have paved the way for all these children who can overcome through their help. So, in addition to these personnel, the BRPs as well as the special educators, we also have the soldiers who are in the field, that is the IEs, IE volunteers. There are 48 of them, and their main task is to identify and to survey the newly CWSM within the village and the cluster.